Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can motion tracking a video in CapCut PC. So just going to select your video with the moving object. So you can see this moving object and just going to make an overlay. So I'm going to add a text, just bold text and change the text by the dot and change the font size and change the color. So um, just for the position in the objects that we want to track, and just going to tracking, select motion tracking, and for direction just select both, and scale and distance you can select enable. So just click start. Oh, sorry. You can select the object that you want to track before. Just click um, restart. So just wait for track. It's according to the video for the long. So just click the play button. So okay, that's simple. That's how to motion tracking, edit, and CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.